Have you ever gotten that sinking feeling when you open your bank statement? You see a bunch of unfamiliar charges, racking up your hard-earned money. You scramble to remember what they all are, wrestling with that nagging suspicion you're paying for services you barely use. We've all been there. In today's digital age, subscriptions are everywhere. From streaming services to fitness apps to that random language learning tool you downloaded on a whim, they sneak up on you. Thankfully, there are apps designed to help us manage this subscription sprawl. One of the most popular options is Rocket Money. But is Rocket Money the ultimate subscription management solution? Or are there better options out there? Let's dive into the world of subscription trackers and see what app might be the perfect fit for you. Breaking down Rocket Money, the good, the bad, and the bill busting. Rocket Money comes out swinging with some impressive features. Here's what makes it a strong contender. Effortless account linking. Connecting your bank accounts is a breeze, allowing Rocket Money to automatically identify subscriptions and recurring charges. No more manually combing through statements. It's like magic, well, tech magic. Bill negotiation, US only. This is a game changer for US users. Rocket Money can negotiate lower rates on your cable, internet, and phone bills, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars a year. Subscription cancellation made easy. Tired of a service? Rocket Money simplifies cancellation with a single click. No more waiting through endless menus and automated phone systems. Spending categorization. While not its primary focus, Rocket Money can categorize your spending, offering a broader view of your finances. However, no app is perfect. Here are some areas where Rocket Money might fall short. Limited budgeting tools. Rocket Money excels at subscription management, but its budgeting features are basic. If you're looking for a comprehensive budgeting app with features like income tracking and goal setting, you might need to look elsewhere. Free versus premium plans. While Rocket Money offers a free tier with basic features, some of the more valuable functionalities like bill negotiation are locked behind a paywall. Limited customer support. User reviews often cite difficulties reaching customer support for assistance. The contenders, unveiling Rocket Money's rivals. Now, let's explore some alternative apps that might be a better fit based on your specific needs. Mint, a household name in personal finance, Mint boasts a robust budgeting system with detailed spending breakdowns and goal-setting tools. It also integrates seamlessly with Rocket Money for a powerful subscription management and budgeting combo. However, Mint doesn't offer bill negotiation. InAb, You Need a Budget. InAb takes a unique approach, focusing on proactive budgeting rather than reactive tracking. It encourages users to allocate their income towards specific goals, potentially preventing overspending on subscriptions. However, InAb has a bit of a learning curve compared to the user-friendly interfaces of Rocket Money and Mint. Truebill, similar to Rocket Money, Truebill excels at subscription management and cancellation. It also offers bill negotiation but with a focus on utilities specifically. Additionally, Truebill boasts a free tier with most functionalities included, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. Choosing your financial champion, the final verdict. So, which app is right for you? Here's a quick breakdown. Go with Rocket Money if you prioritize subscription management and bill negotiation, especially if you're in the US. You're comfortable with a basic budgeting tool and are willing to pay for the premium features. Choose Mint if you want a comprehensive budgeting app with detailed spending analysis and goal setting. You don't mind pairing it with Rocket Money for subscription management, although you'll need the premium version of Rocket Money for bill negotiation. Opt for InAb if you're a proactive budgeter who thrives on a goal-oriented approach. You're willing to invest some time in learning the app's unique system. Consider Truebill if you prioritize affordability and value a free tier with most functionalities included. You're primarily interested in managing subscriptions and negotiating utility bills. Ultimately, the best app depends on your financial goals and priorities. Consider trying out free trials offered by most of these apps to see which one clicks with your budgeting style. Remember, taking control of your subscriptions is a crucial step towards financial wellness. Don't let those recurring charges drain your hard-earned cash. With the right tools and a little effort, you can reclaim your financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.